Hi everyone. Today I'll do one problem from the topic profit and loss. This question I have taken from the book Quantitative Aptitude by Dr. R.S. Agarwal. This question they asked during the year of 2019 in LIC AAO preliminary examination. See, four options are also given in this problem. We have to solve the problem and find out the correct option. See, what is profit? If a person is buying an article and selling it for more money, that is, if the selling price is more compared to the cost price, he will get profit. Okay, if the selling price is less than the cost price, then he will get loss. Okay, selling price is less compared to the cost price, then he will get loss. Okay. In this problem, cost price is not given. But what is given? No, the profit percentage and the loss percentage are same. Is doing two transactions. In the first transaction, is selling the article for 5,400 rupees. He is gaining the money. Okay, he is getting profit in the first transaction. In the second transaction, he is losing the money. Okay. In the second transaction, he is selling that article for rupees 3,600. In that second transaction, he is losing the money. But what is given in the problem? No, that the profit percentage in the first transaction and the loss percentage in the second transaction are equal. It is given. Okay. Then what we have to find out now? We have to find out the profit percentage if the same article is sold for rupees 5,000. Okay, but CP is not given in this problem. Okay, whatever it is, profit and loss, we are calculating profit and loss percentage is calculated on the basis of CP. Okay. Oh. In the first transaction, is selling the article for 5,400. That selling price is here in the first transaction he is gaining. So minus some amount. We don't know what is that amount. Is equal to in the second transaction is losing. Am I right? That is 3,600 plus X I am writing. Okay. We don't know what is cost price. We are going to find out that amount. What is gaining or losing? That we are going to find out. Okay. In both the transaction comparatively. Okay. Now 5,400 minus 3,600. When this x goes to this side, it will become plus x. So x plus x is 2x. Okay. 1,800 is 2x. So x is equal to rupees 900, 1,800 by 2. Okay. This money, this much amount only he got. Okay. When you add this amount in the second transaction, you will get cost price. Okay. Or if you subtract this 900 from the first transaction, you will get, because in the first transaction he is gaining, no? So SP minus this amount will give you the CP. Okay. CP is equal to 5,400 minus 900 or 3,600 plus 900. Whatever it is, CP is same only, no? 4,500 is CP. Okay. Now we are going to do the final calculation. What we have to find out? Percentage of profit, no? So profit percentage is selling that article for rupees 5,000. So SP in the final transaction. in the final. Finally. Okay, SP in the final is what? 5,000 rupees, 5,000. So, what is profit? SP minus CP. Am I right? CP is 4,500. 5,000 minus 4,500. Okay, that is rupees 500 is profit. Okay, now profit is equal to profit percentage is equal to, we have to find out no, profit by CP into 100. What is profit? 500. What is CP? 4,500 into 100. Okay, that is 100. 9 times. So 100 by 9. That is 11.11 percentage. When you divide, you will get profit percentage as this much. Okay, which is the correct option? Because all are given in decimals, no? So that only I'm finding out in decimal. 11.11 percentage. Option A. Thank you.